Hi Taurus, welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang yung monthly Tagalog reading for the month of July, and at ang timestamp ngayon ay 7:51 PM, July 31, 2024. But do not fret. Huli man at magaling na habol din dahil ang reading na ito maaaring mag-resonate onto the next 3 to 6 months. From July all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Ngayon, bukas tatawid tayo ng August. Maaari pa rin itong mag-resonate, okay? Remember na ito ay isang collective reading, so it may resonate sa certain collective energy na channel natin. So if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next time, Taurus. And para sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers natin, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings. Ang timestamp ng inyong reading ay 7:52 PM, July 31, 2024. Okay, Taurus, isa-shuffle ko lang muna ulit ang mga cards in front of the camera, and I'll see you guys in few seconds. Hi Taurus, welcome back sa ating reading at nagsimulan na natin. Taurus, are you ready? Ikakat lang natin to into 3 and another 1. So, bali, 4. No, for some reason, it's up to the practice. So, kukuha tayo ng 7 baraha. Are you ready, Taurus? No, ang gamit nating deck pala, by the way, ay ang The Sacred Self-Care Oracle. Alright, by Jill Pyle. Okay, so, position 1, Taurus, nandyan ang journaling. Position 2, connect with your womb. Lumabas ulit siya. And sync with the moon. Okay. Deep breathing. Music. Pleasure. And at the center, meron kang meditate. Okay. So, Taurus, are you ready? Alright. So, sa first position, release position mo. Ito yung mga bagay na complete din dapat mo nang i-let go. And mga bagay na finally, matagal mo nang na-postpone or hindi mo pa nagagawa pero gusto mong gawin, no? So, it's about time to unleash. Journaling. When was the last time nakapag-journal kayo? I remember ako when I was in high school, medyo mahilig ako mag-journaling, no? Nagsusulat ako ng tula. But along the way, life gets busy, diba? Adulting gets busy, nakalimutan natin. It was just recently, this year, ako nag-start ulit mag-journal. So, nakaka-resonate ako dito. You could probably start doing this, journaling na to, pick it up where you left off. Kung matagal na to, years or decades ago, it's okay, no? So, ang journaling kasi, I feel like, it will help you to focus yung intention mo and yung mga desires mo. Kasi ako, I notice, even before I journal, I have the habit of remembering or reinforcing yung mga gusto ko sa buhay when I write it. Parang nadodouble nga nadodouble yung intention and energy ko. For some reason, kahit pa nag-exam or during classes way back, no, the more I write sa notebook, the more na nantaas ng retention nung naaalala ko yung topic. So, it helps sa, lalo pag may mga exam. So, it's a way of mental exercise para sa iyo, Taurus, as well. No, ang journaling has so many purpose. Pwede siya sa study, pwede siya sa manifestation. Parang kung you're into parang pinapolish mo yung buhay mo, no? So, it helps you. It could be manifestation journal, pwedeng gratitude journal, pero pwede ring task or task sa office mo daily, di ba? May nabibiling mga journal na gano'n. It could be anything, no, related to kung ano yung pangangailangan mo as of this time. So, maybe make room for to become more organized sa daily task mo, di ba? Or it could be something big about your dreams and your desires, no? Para mas mapabuti ang buhay mo. Okay? Now, moving on sa position 2, Taurus, nandito ang connect with your womb. Ito yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy. It could be physical, kasi ito ay reproductive system ng babae. Physically, you're wanting to conceive, gusto mong magkaanak, magkaroon ng pamilya, magkaroon ng children. Specifically sa bata, no? To bring in a new life, okay? So, ito yung kailangan mo daw ipagpatuloy. If you're wanting na magkaanak, no? Nandun na tayo sa 30s and 40s natin, and we feel like we are against time, or it's about time you're ready na maging mother, no? To enter motherhood, no? Okay, so this is the perfect time, no? Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. On to the next 3 to 6 months, anything is possible. You can actually About time also to drink something or eat healthy para mas mapa-improve yung reproductive system natin in a good health. Okay, that's one way to read this. And at the same time, ang conception kasi doesn't have to be physical lang, no? Ang Immaculate Conception, remember si Mother Mary, walang physical, it's more like spiritual, di ba? Words turn into flesh. So, it only means na your words can turn into your desired reality. So, it's all about conception of an idea, an interest, lahat nagsimula sa idea pa lang, no? Sa thoughts natin and sa feelings natin. And remember na the more na mas focus ka, dahil nandiyon yung journey, sa intention mo, the more na you can create that. Okay? So, feeling ko, yung one and two mo is somehow intertwined. No? Parang ang push dito is the journaling. And yung ginagawa mo na ngayon is that you're creating. Okay? Continue creating. Whatever it is, you're creating a new home. It's also about building, actually. No? Sa physical realm, creating means in your thoughts and feelings, and then building is nasa physical na, magta-transform sa physical. So, creating and building something new, or maybe rebuilding or recreating, no, pagpatuloy lang daw yan. It could be something about yourself, your hobby, your interest, your business, yung career mo din, gusto mong i-redirect to something like rerouting. So, continue creating opportunities, no, for you. Okay? Yan ang sinasabi dyan. Sa position 3, manifestation position, sync with the moon. Moon phases lunar calendar. Nakita mo siya nakatayo lang, nagme-meditate, may third eye siya, which is the crown chakra, and may moon phases. So, you could be dealing with yung mga manifestations mo. Make sure na, sometimes kasi when people manifest or they do ritual, no, like for example, nagki-cleanse, nagsi-sea salt bath sila, first of the month, for example, meron tayong ritual for money, no, napapasok sa bahay natin for this month, no, nag-i-invite tayo sa yung mga ritual na yan, whatever it is na ginagawa ninyo, it could be has something to do with, wag mong kakalimutan na gawin yan, at especially dun sa mga events na may big changes, no, like sa moon natin, let's say new moon, full moon, no, I don't know when is the next full moon or half moon, or just check the lunar calendar, okay? Kasi etong mga events na to, sometimes people, they do ritual, no, that will help them during those mga big events, no, sa mga moon, especially pag pink moon, mga ganyan, marami silang ritual na ginagawa. So, yung manifestations mo has something to do or mas malakas during the moon phases. So, check the lunar calendar. It's more like an advice if you're into that. But you don't really have to believe in this, okay? It's more like specifically for those people na medyo metaphysical, no, ang kanilang paniniwala. If you're Catholic or any other religion, it doesn't matter, it's okay. So maybe you just, you know, be in alignment sa paniniwala mo, sa mga events sa paniniwala mo. Let's say next month kapistahan ng ganito, no, sa December, Immaculada Conception, di ba, mga ganon. So sync with the biggest, alam mo yung mga festivities sa paniniwala mo. Kasi doon mas malakas yung manifestation. Okay? Taurus. Now, sa fourth position, external energy, Taurus, nakikita ko ito, deep breathing, no? So, wag kang magpapadisturb or mababahala sa external energies mo kung toxic yan. Or it could also be mga external energy, situations and people na yan, no? Could bring in some sort of parang peace of mind or inner peace sa'yo. So, choose other way kung ano yung klase ng external energies na yan. But, either way, it could make or break, you know. So, ang sinasabi lang dito, focus on within you. Amidst kung ano nangyayari sa surroundings mo ngayon. Sa situation mo sa buhay. Deep breathing kasi, normally ginagawa to before meditation. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Kadalasan 3 times to help you relax. So, ang message is just relax, no? Regardless kung anong circumstances mo ngayon, Taurus. Okay? Now, sa 5th position, nandyan ang music. Ito yung kailangan maibigay sa sarili mo. Music lover ka ba? Do you like music, no? Or it could be na maybe hindi ka music lover, pero sinasabi dito, magbe-benefit ka sa pakikinig ng music. Maraming way you can attend concerts, di ba? Mahilig ka mag-attend ng mga teatro, mahilig ka makinig sa Spotify or sa YouTube, no? Yung mga latest musics, updated ka, di ba? Variety show. So, ang sinasabi, mas magbe-benefit ka kung may kasamang music ang buhay mo. So, be a music lover, whether you are not a music lover, or if you are, no, so, it has something to do with music, no? Like, for me kasi ngayon, I'm working on mga music na meditative, no? Or mga frequency music na nakakataas ng vibration, no? Sometimes nag-enjoy ako sa instrumental music lang. Ganon, to help me relax. So, magbe-benefit ka doon. So, choose whatever suits you, okay? Kung anong type of music or genre pa yan, no? So, kanya-kanya tayo ng gusto. That's okay. So, magbe-benefit ka raw doon, Taurus. Now, sa new beginnings mo, kung ang mga manifestations mo may kinalaman sa mga big events when it comes sa belief system mo, no? Nandito naman sa new beginnings ang pleasure. So, nakikita mo to, maraming heart yung katawan niya, maraming flowers and all, maraming kulay ang chakra niya. And then, hinahawakan niya ang kanyang navel. Okay? So, pleasure could be physical pleasure, if you know what I mean, intimacy with someone, romantic, no? It could also be that doesn't have to be romantic, more sensual. It could also be like taking good care of yourself. No? Give yourself some pleasure, meaning ang ibig ko sabihin dyan is that you go treat yourself outside, no? Go on a massage, okay? Take good care of your body, feel good, look good. So, ayun ang mga new beginning mo would involve things that you like for yourself na ma-enhance ang iyong sensation, ma-enhance ang iyong intimate relationship with other people, intimacy, sensual pleasures, mga sensual, it will heighten, kumbaga, yung sensuality mo as a person, as a man or as a woman. Okay, choose whatever resonates here. So, yung mga new beginnings mo, it will be more exciting, but I would say pleasure has something to do with things that's physical, ha? Okay? Something that's can parang magiging mas ma-enjoy mo at the same time, no? So, but it's not the same as love, It's not something deep, okay? It's something na maybe casual, could also be just at the surface level, okay? Or just basically taking care of your physical body, okay? So, yun yung mga new beginnings mo. It could be a warning, it could be an advice, or it's about time for you to enter into that kind of parang, sabihin natin R18, no? Or mga R21 na ganyan, mga scenario or galawan, okay? So, but be careful about that. Now, anything in excess kasi is not right, di ba? Kahit excess na matulog 12 hours kang tulog, parang hindi tama rin daw yung oversleeping. Ganon. Ngayon, at the center naman, Taurus, nandiyan ang meditate. Ito yung something na kailangan mong matutunan or yung natutuhan mong recently. So, start meditating. Since nandiyan ang journaling, isa sa technique sa pagmamanifest is meditation. Nandiyan din ang deep breathing. So, you cannot make this up. May journal ka, may deep breathing and meditation. So, like I said nga dun sa deep breathing, no, may ginagawa yun sa meditation. No? So, maybe you could start meditating. No? Kasi madali lang naman Start with 5-minute meditation, 10-minute meditation, at hanggang maging 1 hour or 30 minutes, no? Kasi ang minutes kasi is quite parang too much, di ba? So, yung mga 30-second visualization or meditation or affirmation will help you along the way, Taurus. Basta, you know what I mean. If you're trying to manifest something, that it's part of your manifestation journey. Ang meditation, importante yan. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo, Taurus. Natapos ang reading nyo as of 8:06 p.m. July 31, 2024, bordering August 1 na. So, maaaring nga mag-resonate talaga tong reading na to for July all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. And, Taurus, if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Taurus. Goodbye. Or bye. See you on next month's reading.